Okay, so real quick, my name's Brandon, mobile development. Um, what was something you learned about your industry that you did not know before the start of the class? Well, first off, I didn't know how hard it was going to be to make a video of myself. This is like around six, so hopefully we get this. Um, I didn't really know how new our industry was as mobile developers. It's really, I mean, I knew how new it was, but I didn't know how new. Really, it's so undeveloped, and like there's still new progression in technology and hardware technology every day. So it's like it's it's new and it only gets newer. So there's only more there's only ever going to be more. So right now, it's awesome because it's like you can get on the ground floor and you can just basically see where it goes from there. I really didn't know all that. I knew like how I knew it was new, and I knew that like there's a lot of cool stuff that was out there that uh, hadn't really been touched yet. It's like and right now we're doing this whole switch to 64-bit architecture on mobile platforms, so that's going to be great. It gives us a whole nother just a whole other world of options to as far as what we can do. Let's see. Did this course help you confirm your decision to pursue a degree? I already knew I wanted to do this. I have been doing 3D and digital graphics for years. I'm also a professional tattoo artist in a shop in Southland Falls, New York, and I am. I've already been. I already have a little bit of experience in graphic design and 3D art and art in general. So I thought that programming would be the other side of things, and I'm already kind of into it. And I've already played around with little stuff, done some Arduino stuff, and I've done a little bit of game stuff, like some Java stuff. It's cool, but basically, I want to really um, kind of just have the total package of stuff. So I always kind of knew that this was what I really wanted to do in the end because it was the last part of my little plan and package that I wanted to have as far as skill set. Um, what was one thing I would add to this course? I would add more about. I would add more. I would say I would add more about mobile development in the mobile industry, but it's kind of one of those things where it's still so new that there isn't really a lot of good resources to add. Like CG Talk, we have like CG Talk for 3D stuff, which is awesome. I love that site. If you're a 3D guy and you don't know about it, check it out because it's sweet. And like graphic artists and visual artists, they have like DeviantArt and you know um, I guess programmers. We kind of have GitHub, which is this whole new amazing thing that started. But I think that maybe adding a little GitHub thing and a little CG Talk thing and for each program, that would be really cool. Where you can just like kind of introduce people to that sort of thing because that is really one of the most important things that I've realized is like if you're not talking to other programmers and other designers and other 3D artists and other web designers, then you're not going to learn as much. You're going to be kind of left out there on your own, and you're not going to have as much resources as those other guys have. That whole social part of it makes it your life. That's how art works. You know what I mean? You hang out with other artists, and you're gonna learn a lot more, a lot faster. It's awesome. So, all right. From there, then we have what is something you did not find useful or would remove from this course? Timetables, timetable thing, whatever that thing was, on that assignment. Those timetable things to me are something that people should already know how to do. It's something that is common sense. That's organizing your time is a common sense sort of thing. Um, you know, I live a very very busy schedule, and I mean it's insanely busy. I work 50 hours a week, and it's. I don't want to get into it because everybody has it. Everybody has a busy schedule, And that's the thing, is it's very hard to motivate yourself to do this stuff after, like, working a 50-hour day and, dealing with this and dealing with that and just having a whole stack of things. And then you come home and you don't want to do homework. And so, pushing yourself to do that kind of stuff is difficult. But, the timetable for me is always, I always felt like it was a negative thing. It always made me feel worse about, not making that thing on time or not doing this on time. And that was basically one problem that I always had with it. And also because, it just seems like the whole explaining how to use your time wisely thing and that sort of thing is just like, I don't know, it just seems like one of those things where it's something you should just know. Yeah. So I want to keep this video short, and I think I've answered all the questions there. So it was good talking to you. I guess have a good day. Thank you.